guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Bomb Simulator. And I haven't been recording for a while because let's just see So I'm pretty skilled bomber, yeah. I can literally hit those things in one hit. It's not that hard. What I'm really trying to do is, this is low. I don't know what I'm really trying to get to, but a lot of chances I even know what to do with them. Once I get to next one, once I get to a billion coins, I'll know what to do with them. But now I don't. Which first of all, I'm going to see the sword we can buy. Okay, 15 million. Yeah, I should upgrade it. 150 million, that's a lot. I think I would get more in. So this is going to be so easy. Oh, I got a legendary. These are actually technically my best. I rate bombs, don't give me that much. I like these. Ultra icing hat is kind of nothing, but if you were started, that would at least be something to you. Yeah. This is not that many coins. If you were started, that would be a long one too. I like to keep my auto coin on, so whenever it looks like no one's on this canyon. It's okay. What? Okay, I'm gonna start using these candy horns, I guess. Yeah. So, I totally have forgotten where to teleport to. So let's craft this with this. Wow. Okay. Those might be my new best. Oh, candy horns looks good on me. Oh, finally, I'm not the only one here. These are mine. These are all mine. So, look here. These are all mine, and always on. Okay. I'm going to teleport to the ancient temple. I'm going to get a new sword. I got the emerald eye. This should help me out a lot. Well, peppermint. Okay, guys. So, for pets, I recommend when you first start, get 15. So type in 15 likes, like just type in this. And then when you start typing this, May Rush Art, Russo, and Snuggie. That will really help you. So let's just boom, boom, boom. Let's just boom, boom. It's not that much, okay. Okay, I'm gonna see how much this does. Okay, one hit. Okay. Oh. Okay, that really helped. Guys, always watch out for those bombs. They will really help you. They give you more money, as you can see. But I continue getting those balls, I can probably go over there. And all this was without Robux because I literally... Ooh! Because I literally have no Robux. How do I... Okay. Yeah. That I have no X's on boost coins. To prove that I didn't buy coins, look, I literally don't even have enough to buy any coins. Even for 9 Robux, no. I didn't buy any VIP passes, and I can't even buy some gems. So, I got to get all by myself, working at night. Okay. So, let's find, okay, bomb. Always get these bombs. Don't really get these bombs if you see those kind of bombs because, like, these bombs are not as good as those bombs. So when you see one of those bombs, always go and get it. Candy boat. Well, while we wait, I'm gonna go to the fluff tower and untap my candy horns because they're like gonna be my best ones now. Okay, I don't want to walk. Okay. So, yeah, we should actually be ready for that one. Can't find any good bombs, but okay. Let's turn music on. Okay. Another exotic candy. Ooh, yeah, okay. The exotic candy horns might be taking over. I unequip these horns, and then I unequip that, and then boom. Boom. These are already better. Okay. The tiny horns might be taking over from the Sun King as well. Why did I just walk here? Let me see how much this gives you. Not that much, okay. Whatever. Okay, so. Oh, big bomb. yeah, let's just continue mining these big bombs, and yeah. I have no Robux to skip this either. And if you didn't know, I literally have zero Robux. You guys don't believe me? Check out my other videos. Oh, just go check out my other videos. But you guys don't believe me that I have no Robux? I'll show you at the end of this video. So let's just wait for one of those really big bombs to spawn, because it's not like these bombs are good. I'm trying buying coins. If I could, I would buy 1 billion. But I can't. So yeah, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe. Wait, guys, see, I have 0 Robux. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notifications so you never miss one of my videos. Bye, guys.